Hello, I'm Ishi Khosla. Welcome to Har Zindagi. Today we'll be talking about gluten and food sensitivities, especially among women. Today we look at diseases in a different way. We look at diseases from their root cause. And if you look at what is happening to our gut, our digestive system, we have all the answers we are looking for. Hormonal upheavals in a woman's life change her gut function, her digestive capacity, which makes her much more prone to developing diseases. We see autoimmune problems, we see digestive problems, we see beginnings of malabsorption and nutritional deficiencies, all of which are completely explainable, and the good news is that they are treatable. So once we have the root cause established, we are in a position to fix it. We find gluten, a molecule, a protein which is hard to digest among all people, among all individuals. Food sensitivities are not uncommon when we have a leaky gut, when you have digestive issues, and gluten is one of the key players in making our body susceptible to disease, because it causes digestive disturbances, a leaky gut, and creation of antibodies. Once the stage is set, we find that many more other intolerances, including dairy, milk protein, and many other things kick in. So yes, it is real, it's not a myth, it's not a fad, but how you treat it and how you deal with it is very important. It's not only about gluten, it's also about many other grains which may not have gluten, but they behave to the immune system, they look like gluten. And these could be very simple grains that we eat every day, like corn, it could be soya, it could be oats, and it could be many others. So do watch out for food sensitivities, get yourself tested, but whatever you do must be done under professional guidance. That's all in this video. If you have specific queries which are related to nutrition or your health, please contact us on harzindagi.com.